What's up, fam?
It's that time, neural network time.
Let's go.
All right.
Number 23.
It's the Podmasters of the AI, broadcasting live from Irvine. We're fly. Podmasters of the AI in the podcast. We roll.
Episode number 23.
Episode number 3. Welcome back. We're going to jump right into this. OpenAI is doing 12 days of AI streaming and showing off their new stuff.
Showing off stuff for Christmas. ElevenLabs is at it again with a new conversation tool, which will be interesting to see.
All right.
Another OpenAI headline.
And another OpenAI headline. They're partnering with a defense tech company also based in, that kind of came out of the AI world, but they're partnering up with Anduril. So we'll get into details on that.
Google DeepMind just launched Genie 2. It's an endless playback of 3D worlds from a single image. Pretty cool. We'll go take a look at.
Very cool. And Amazon is getting into the infrastructure and picks and shovels game and also announcing some of their new AI models. We'll dig into that as well.
Ooh, dig in. I like it. Hailuo MiniMax dropped a new version, basically bringing 2D art to life with smooth motion. Dream, if you like anime, it's kind of takes the cake. So, as you've probably seen from our show before, we always start off with a beer. So if you have a beer or a drink, please join us. Today, what are we drinking?
Today we're drinking Samuel Smith's. They are hailing from brewed and canned in the United Kingdom, and they're coming from Tadcaster, England. Let's open them up, and then I'll get a little story about them. So what's interesting about these guys, they are still using their Shire horses to deliver their beer around town, around Tadcaster, England.
There's nothing better on a cold day than a great stout. So cheers.
There we go. Cheers. Wow, chocolatey it is. This is not a beer. This is a dessert.
Yes, dessert beer is actually 5%, so it's not overly
5%,
heavy.
Yep. It's milky, stouty, chocolatey, all of that. Yeah, so like I mentioned, they're using their Shire horses to deliver the beer around Tadcaster. We're very proud of that. The Shire is part of the brewery. The brewery is right next to the Shire.
No hobbits in this Shire.
Yeah, and Churchill made a comment about them that about the transition from horse to engine power. Something has to do with this brewery. Yeah,
I like it. All right, so let's head into our headlines, starting off with OpenAI doing 12 days of AI.
So OpenAI is doing 12 days of OpenAI. They announced it early today, December 4th. Starting on December 5th, they'll reveal new products, features, updates over 12 days, consecutive days. They're not taking a break over a weekend or anything. They're going to be streaming for 12 days. It includes much anticipated releases like Sora, their AI video, and a new version of their reasoning model. Each weekday, this is what Sam said, Sam Altman, each weekday we'll have a live stream with a launch of or demos, some big ones and some stocking stuffers. We've got great stuff to share. Hope you enjoy. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
From Sam Altman.
And everybody's predictions on what they're going to be releasing ranges all over the place. So we look forward to seeing what comes out. We'll cover it next week and the week after. So stay tuned.
And moving on to our next segment, John, why don't you tell us about ElevenLabs?
Oh, ElevenLabs. So ElevenLabs conversational AI agents. You can essentially build a customer service agent for your business, and it sounds like a normal human. You can upload your files, so it understands your entire policies and procedures, create a personality around it. So these are some new tools that are coming on board from ElevenLabs. There's a clip here from ElevenLabs. We'll just play here for you, just a quick clip.
Introducing conversational AI with ElevenLabs. Build, test, and deploy, all in one platform for the most natural way to communicate with technology.
Hey, can I check the status of my order?
Yes, of course. Let me check for you now. Your order is due to arrive at around 2 p.m.
Building conversational AI agents used to be immensely complex and demand huge resources. but not anymore. Start building your agent by creating a voice or exploring our vast high-quality library to discover one that's perfect for your application.
Hello and welcome to DHK Online. How can I help you today?
With a wide range of the best LLMs to choose from, you can then upload your knowledge base and define the goal and personality of your agent. Or alternatively, you can integrate your own server to take full control.
Hi, this is Eric from Bound Events. How can I help?
Hey, I accidentally bought a ticket twice. Could I get a refund, please?
Sure, please read out your reference number and I can begin to process that right now.
Our system will analyze and evaluate your transcripts, providing you with valuable insights, conversation playback, and the ability to test and define success criteria. And it's all possible in 32 different languages.
Welcome to GC Medical. How can I help?
Hello, ¿hablas español?
Sí, por supuesto que hablo español. ¿En qué puedo ayudar?
Yeah, it's pretty impressive.
Very cool, ElevenLabs, and you can deploy this like the clip said. You can create an agent, create a voice, create an agent, upload your knowledge base, and embed it into your website just embed it on yours, so you can just make a call right off of your
32 languages, and you can say. If you start speaking in a different language, it automatically picks it up and
you
will be
simultaneously jump from one language to another.
None of that push option 2 for Spanish.
Right. Spanish is now just the agent speaks.
Just automatically goes.
32 languages.
Yeah.
Speak any language, it speaks.
I love it. If you have a
cool,
business,
ElevenLabs.
this is a great thing to have.
All right. So another new piece of news that's coming out of OpenAI that we covered. They're partnering with a defense tech company, Anduril. We covered a few months ago, there was a change in OpenAI's terms and conditions saying that they can now, they're opening up their system, their model military uses, remember?
Yeah.
That's that. We also know the news from last time we covered, last week, the fact that OpenAI is more becoming a closed AI instead of a non-for-profit. They're obviously becoming a for-profit, building drones or building AI for the drones. And what is Anduril? So Anduril is a new company, or relatively new company. They're basically coming up with hardware for the military. All kinds of drones, all kinds of air defense systems, all kinds of mission autonomy systems, command and control systems, force protection, sort of drones and stuff they're doing protection. Drones, not just flying drones, but also underwater vehicles. They have a product called Dive LD, which is their basically drone that's like a submarine. That's a drone.
Oh, that's cool.
Submarine, yeah. And so that's what Anduril is. They are hiring all kinds of engineers and
are you an engineer?
Engineering and software and AI guys.
OpenAI, Sam highlighted the partnership as an effort to uphold democratic values and enhance national security.
Yeah, they talk about national security. They're talking about using safe AI, and here they are making
my AI is safer than yours because my gun is bigger than yours.
Operates on AI. But I guess it's good that it's on the U.S. side and the other side.
Yeah, it's good. I appreciate that. So Sam said, our collaboration with Anduril will help protect U.S. military personnel and ensure responsible use of AI technology to safeguard citizens.
I don't know if I trust
Take it with a grain of salt, people.
Yeah. Sam promises to take care of the citizens.
Just like he did with all of his personnel at his company.
They're now for profit. That was a big piece of news from last time. They've opened up their terms and conditions that they can use the AI products for military uses. That's something that we've covered before. And here they are. They're just straight up, very much in the open, announcing this partnership with Anduril.
Just some side notes with OpenAI. They did release some numbers. So they have 300 million weekly active users and 1 billion messages sent daily. So 1.3 million developers building on the platform currently. So he's specifically saying he really can see the AGI timeline in next year.
1.3 million US developers building on the ChatGPT platform, on the OpenAI platform.
There are rumors going around in the rumor mill saying that they need better monetization, so they may be adding ads to ChatGPT. they have not said anything. No, like, on like Facebook or Instagram, you have like an ad. They may, or like Google.
What's that going to look like on an AI product?
Well, it would be like on the side, or like if you would like to
so it'll be like
hear some interesting
era
display
ads.
I don't think it'll be like that. It'll be more along the lines of, if you ask, hey, where's the best place I can go for sushi? Like Google, they'll push people's results to the top, and they may do monetization that way.
OpenAI is eating Google's lunch right now, is what I'm trying to say, with search, because you can perform all the search from all the AI products that are out there right now. So
there was something I was watching Gary Vaynerchuk. I don't know if you guys ever go on NBA stuff. He's a big social media guy.
Yep.
He had a talk recently about, hey, raise your hand if you are using ChatGPT to use it like you used to use Google.
How many people here are already using ChatGPT instead of Google for things they used Google for just 2 years ago? Raise your hand. Raise it high. I want people to see this.
So they were all raising their hand saying, I'm using ChatGPT because that's how now my search engine. And so if they do monetization, be on top of that real quick.
Don't sit here and do what all of you do, which is put your head in the sand when a wave comes. Go find your surfboard and ride that wave.
Because that'll be
this whole room
hotly sought after.
It'll be AI-driven ads on AI platforms. And it already knows what work you're doing. It already knows
it wants you to do the same thing.
Yeah.
I use X a lot like Google search. Like you're searching media. We are now the media.
Especially if it has to do with the news and stuff. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're going to be on X platform. So if you're on X, please watch us there. Subscribe.
Catch us on X platform.
X platform. Okay. So really cool. As we continue on this week,
any news from Google?
Google.
Speaking of search.
What a segue.
What is Google doing in terms of AI and in terms of their products?
So Google has just released DeepMind Genie 2. It's an endless playable 3D world from a single image, meaning how you normally play. Basically, you can start playing your 3D worlds right then and there. They introduced it, and it's an AI model basically capable of generating interactive 3D worlds from a single image or text prompt. So the model facilitates real-time interaction with features like characters, animations, physics, environment, and all of those different items. So it's potentially going to we know that this is going to revolutionize how games are going to be played, because you will no longer have to pre-code an entire world.
You'll basically no longer hit a wall in a video game, right? It'll keep regenerating with new content, with new details. If that's what you want, it'll continue generating the world on and on and on and on and on and on and on. You won't be hitting really a wall.
Yeah, so you can move around. Say I want a spaceship, create a playable world in a robot. Cool, awesome. I'm just gonna walk around in this open world that just never ends. I want to sail a sailboat. Cool. We're gonna sail the sailboat. So these are some interesting features and things that are coming out of gaming, and this is also why Elon Musk said that he wants to get into gaming as well, because he knows the potential's here. Deep in
All right,
Amazon.
so Amazon is getting into the AI space. Not only are they releasing their new AI model that has very comparative to language understanding, to reasoning, to popular models like GPT and Claude, but I think to me the bigger news is the fact that they're getting into the picks and shovels, into the infrastructure. They're developing their own AI chips. They're calling them Trainium chips. It's a big cluster. Let's run the video on them.
Power and high bandwidth memory are combined in a server with advanced virtualization, enhanced security, and high-performance storage and networking. Now imagine connecting these servers with an ultra-fast dedicated chip interconnect, and then deploying them in hyperscale clusters with a petabit-scale network fabric.
Interconnect.
What you get is a silicon server and data center architecture that delivers state-of-the-art performance for frontier models.
That's pretty cool.
Memory.
So there you go, guys. Amazon's getting AWS, Amazon Web Services, of course, a complementary product if they're already in the infrastructure, AWS. And here they're actually making their own chips so they can support running. And they said we don't want to depend on Facebook or OpenAI. We're developing our own AI model.
And preliminary results are showing it being way better than.
Well, I don't see that. I don't see way better. Look at these scores. They're slightly below, actually, if you compare it to, for example, Claude. Look at the Claude, 89, 88, 85, 96, 94.
GPT, yeah.
Yeah,
4.0.
Yeah, Claude and GPT in terms of the reasoning and understanding, and
it's on par.
Yeah, but it's catching up. It's their first model. It's their first thing, and it's already extremely compatible with existing models that have been on the market for 2 years now. What?
It's interesting to see that they're doing this. So they're going to be launching next year.
Launching their AI model, launching and doing what NVIDIA is doing.
The proprietary chips.
Creating the proprietary chips. And of course, they have the AWS. They already are in the server game. Now they're going to be in the server game for this new age.
Yeah.
For the AI. Yeah.
With all those fun news things, let's talk about some fun stuff. Like our new video things. Yay. So this is from Hailuo, MiniMax. So this is... Their model is number is a little crazy, but there's a lot of application here for advertisers and video, creating short stories. Just from an image, you can change the style of the animation, which I enjoy. So you're really going to start seeing, if you haven't already heard about Coca-Cola with their AI ad, there was a lot of criticism of it, but I think we're all moving in the right direction.
So can you explain what's awesome about this compared to what we saw before? Because we've seen these AI video generators. What's cool about this new model? This one we're covering right now.
So it's static art into dynamic. The reason why is just because it's more seamless. It comes off like it's an actual animation, and it doesn't look like it's got fragments or hallucinations. It's a lot cleaner. Looks like it's actually drawn. And that's kind of what we're looking for. Is like, hey, I would love to watch a movie like Akira or anything from Studio Ghibli to just be completely, easily done.
Yeah, it looks ultra, like you said it perfectly. You said it doesn't have that AI feel to it.
No, it does not. Not this time. So this was,
and I feel like it was meant to be much more cleaner, like you said. Yeah.
And we're getting to we're getting into the uncanny valley of, is that AI or is it AI?
We're here now. We're in the uncanny valley. We're in that valley.
Tencent just released Hanhuan Video. It's systematic framework for large video generation model training. We're getting close to Sora kind of stuff right now. And this is all AI. I mean, if you a year ago, we would have not even. I mean, when we started the podcast, this would have looked.
We started the podcast. We didn't have Sora yet.
We didn't have Sora yet.
Yeah. Then we got Sora, and they were like, "Wow!" And then all of these video tools start popping up.
And Sora was leaked, and so China's pushing forward.
China's catching up.
Oh yeah, they're on par. That's for sure. Hunyan. I'm terrible with other languages. Oh, and this is
David Brown of AWS says the capacity of the hard drives used in their data centers has grown from 500 gigabytes in 2006 to 20 terabytes, and larger today as the cost per terabyte has steadily fallen.
At the same time, the cost of The cost per terabyte of storage has dropped dramatically over the past several decades due to innovations in the design and manufacturing
There's a lot of talk
process
of Moore's Law
and the
on
materials.
storage capacity.
The evolution of hard drive capacity.
And this is the AWS announcement that we covered. So, shout out to our sponsors. Are you looking for a dreamy home away from home? Meet CozySolutions.com, where comfort and style collide to create the perfect getaway.
Whether you're visiting sunny Orange County or exploring the coolest spots in San Diego, like the trendy North Park neighborhood or the beachy vibes of San Clemente, CozySolutions.com has you covered.
Their fully furnished homes and apartments are designed for the ultimate convenience with pet-friendly options, lightning-fast Wi-Fi, and locations so prime you'll feel like a local in no time.
Need flexibility? You can book their spaces for a month or two. Perfect for an extended vacation or work from anywhere setup.
Ready to cozy up in style? Use promo code NNN to snag their holiday promotion of $199 off of your booking. Don't wait. Visit CozySolutions.com and find your perfect stay today.
If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. It means the world to us.
Thank you for tuning in. Please hit the like button. Lets the algorithm know that you enjoy this type of content. And welcome back to our Season 2.
Season 2. Please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload.
Neural network news.
Broadcasting the pulse of innovation.
Cool. See you guys soon.
Bye, guys.
Listen up, it's the podcast of the AI broadcasting live from our farm.